VVF, the human cost. Beyond the statistics, fistula destroys lives. Women with fistula commonly experience divorce and abandonment, social exclusion, and a loss of livelihood. Studies show that over 70% of women with fistula experience clinical depression, which improves only after successful repair. Fistula does not only break the body, it fractures identity, belonging, and hope, a preventable injustice. From the world to Africa to Nigeria, one truth remains constant. Obstetric fistula is preventable. The World Health Organization identifies 3 core solutions: delaying first pregnancy, ending child marriage and harmful practices, and ensuring timely access to emergency obstetric care. Where girls are protected, fistula disappears. Where childbirth is safe, dignity survives. Ending obstetric fistula is not charity, it is justice, policy, and public health in action.